Using Ceros to create animated, interactive charts is an easy way to incorporate digestible data into your content in an engaging way. Take a look at this final example we have here. Instead of just being a static bar chart, this chart animates in to catch your attention, and you can click or hover over each individual bar to get a bit more info. To get started, let's create a new experience in Ceros and then draw out a rectangle on the canvas. We're going to use this as a template for our other bars, so let's spend some time adjusting the color to be a bit better looking. Once we're happy with the design of the rectangle, let's go ahead and duplicate these bars as many times as you need for your design, and then adjust the heights as needed. Now we can select all of the bars at once and apply a simple animation of scale up with a 0.4-second delay to begin. Since we want to cascade these objects, we can simply hold our Shift key and deselect them one at a time and slightly increase the delay applied. So for the second one, it will be 0.6 seconds delay, the third one will be 0.8, and so on and so forth. We're going to skip through this part since it's fairly repetitive. As you can see in the preview, we already have a pretty nice chart, but we still need to create some hover interactions. We'll cover how to set these up in the next video.